Bim, dito ka, Bim. Ito yun. Yan o. I love this place kasi merong soup. Yan o, mga soup. Ay, ako. Ay, ano yun? Sa kabila na, private resort din yan. Ito yung first outing ni Bro Hilda.
Gagalit ko dati doon sa sasakyan.
First outing. Oh, first outing, oh. Hello, good afternoon. Mami Tess, day out again today. Okay guys, we're here at Blue Lagoon. This is somewhere in Calamba, Laguna. Well, the reason that we're here is of course to spend an overnight swimming with the family as part of a celebration. Okay, a celebration for Mia's travel to the US. Okay, parang farewell party po namin ito kay Mia. And so, waiting for the gate to be open. Okay, waiting na kami. It will be an overnight stay here at Blue Lagoon. Why is it so cute? Come here, baby. Yan yung nag-welcome sa amin. Oh. We have 2 dogs here. Okay, so they're giving us a very warm welcome. Ayan. We have been welcomed. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Come here. Ayan. We're still waiting for the gate to be open. Okay, we arrived early. Grabe. Grabe naman yan. Ang taas sa mga bike. Kaya yung mga batang yun. Bike. Come here, baby. Come here. Ay. Come here. Ayaw ba? Ano sabi niya? Ay, grabe naman ang mga kids ito. Oh. Okay. Oy. Ang taas naman ng bike nyo. Grabe, kaya nila yun. Okay na kayo dyan, Tiyay? Akala namin. Kuya Bim, let's go! Let's go.
Pantay mo yung dalawang magdadala.
Awak ha?
Swimming na lang.
Ay, slowly. Slowly, Bim. Wait lang, Bim. Wait lang. Upo ka muna ka para makakuha ako ng video, ha? Yan, dyan ka. Yan, okay. Slowly. Wala pang water. Diyan ka muna, Bim. Guys, wala pang tubig. Ang kiddie pool. Ano to? There's a cat. Hello. Ay, injured siya. Oo nga. Yan. Si Enzo magsa-swimming na, wala pa water. Enzo, how does it feel? How does it feel swimming without water? Bea?
Last year, hindi
Hindi. Parang,
Ilang year na tayo
ano Bem? Ano Bem? Ano Bem? So now, preparing for the party. O, saan ang ginagawa mo? Tali-tali.
Madali ito pag dala-dalawa.
Huwag mong pakialaman ang ginagawa ko.
Ano gagawin mo dyan?
Gusto ko white ang sa ano eh.
Sarili mong dulo mo. Oh, I'm proud of myself.
Tira mo yung mga ginagawa namin. O, diba?
I'm proud of myself. Kumi.
Kakaproud, grabe. Yung anak ko. Si, ano, si manager, oh. Magtayo na tayo na, ano na.
Papalan yung manager.
Si OM, nag-ano, oh. Grabe naman ang effort yan.
Ito pa, oh.
O, diba, oh? Isa pa. Isa pa. Sa gilid, sa gilid. Yan, gilid-gilid yan. Eh, okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. So, ayan, tonight I learned a new skill. Nagawa niya. So what are you waiting for? Let's go swimming! Wow, sarap ng tubig. Okay, the water is so clean. Ano? Hi, Enzo! How's the water, Enzo? How's the water? Ang linis naman, nakakatuwa. Maganda yung ganito, nak, no? Yung malinis. Yay! Oh, yes, go. Be careful. Yan, nag-start na yung mga apo ko. Leia! Make a wave! Leia! Leia! Leia, Leia! Wait lang, hindi matagal, hindi matagal. Hi! Leia! Op, op, op. Hindi natatakot yun. Yan, ang dami na nila. Hi! Sami. Marunong na. Do you know how to swim now? No? Yun lang. Dwayne! Dwayne, Dwayne! Bea! Sky! 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 Nag-enjoy. Ang Sophia, nag-enjoy. Enjoy yung mga bata. Ano to? Now it's showtime!
You are amazing.
I'm really speechless about this, and I'm going to miss the gifts that you gave me and my birthday.
Magpapadala pa rin siya.
I still don't know what to say. I hope you have a good day and good night in USA. Yeah, I'm gonna miss you a lot. And
Why? What is he doing to you?
I don't know. I don't know what to say.